Alright, here we are up in McCall, checking out the winter carnival. Put your feet down if you go too fast. Put your feet down if you gotta slow down. Out onto the ice, out on the lake. Babe, have her come up on here so the other kids can go.
Relax.
How was it?
I'm all right now.
How was it, Malia?
How was it? Was that super fun? Yeah. She says going with mom's way better than dad.
She said that?
Yeah, she did.
Oh wow. I think she just put in a special... Hey, Malia. Look at Daddy. Was that fun?
Yeah.
You want to go again?
Yeah.
Okay.